What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and today's focus is on AMP, guys. Looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep dropping in value? Is it going to pump anytime soon? Mainly focusing on, is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it time to simply hold on to it before it makes a move? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also focusing on its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. What can AMP reach, and also is it a crypto worth investing into in 2022? 2023 even. We're going to cover both short-term and long-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is down just about 2%, and so is AMP as well. It is down 3%. In the last hour, it's been quite volatile. No major changes over the week, 5% down, and over the month 10%. So it hasn't been too great for AMP over the last couple of weeks and months as well, as it has been dropping quite a bit. But is it time for it to take a U-turn and pump back up in value, or is it going to keep crashing? That's what we're going to be focusing in today's video as well. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by just about 30%, making it $6 million in trading. And again, there hasn't been much movement value-wise, so there hasn't been much movement trading as well. Most people are just holding on to it at the moment. Not many people are buying it, not many people are selling it. And those who own it are currently holding on to it. And those who want to invest into the crypto, they're holding back a bit, because obviously over the last month has been dropping quite a bit. So most people are waiting for it to drop even further before they invest into it, or for it to drop to its lowest level before they invest into the crypto as well. But yeah, don't blame them. It's a good way of working. However, I use something called DCA, dollar cost averaging. So for example, if you got $100 that you want to invest into AMP, I'll spread it across 10 days, $10 every day, or weeks, $10 every single week for the next 10 weeks, so on and so on. It's up to you how you want to split it, but that is what DCA is all about. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at just about 0.003641 cents. However, it is trading at a slightly lower value here at 0.003383 cents, meaning it's not performing too well and much lower than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning minimal increases in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours from AMP. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, do expect AMP to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. But again, nothing major, nothing too crazy. It is going to be a very minimal increase in value. The only reason I say very minimal is because, as you guys can clearly see, the crypto has been quite volatile up and down, but overall it has been more or less maintaining its value. So the exact same is likely to take place over the next couple of days as well. So especially over the next 12 to 14 hours, do expect it to potentially just about go past 0.0034 cents in target, but that's about it. Nothing too crazy is about to take place. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So this one's quite interesting. We've got the blue line clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the orange line is flat out going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from AMP over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting AMP to be more or less trading at its current price range, or even at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. So again, Even though we are likely to see red days and green days over the next 7 to 8 days, the overall outcome seems to be neutral, more or less trading at its current price range, just like how it's been over the last week or two. It's been maintaining its value, but more or less slightly slanting towards the negative direction, and that is what's likely to take place or carry on over the next week or so. So once again, guys, do not expect any major pumps or drops in value from AMP unless the crypto market goes through that. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, in this case I'm talking about mid to late June 2023, it's not looking too great. We got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from AMP over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So again, it is going to be minimal drops in value, just like what's happened over the last 4 to 5 weeks is likely to take place, carry on at the same wavelength as well. So guys, more drops in value are in for AMP over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So by late June, we should potentially be heading down below the 0.003 cents target, down to 0.0029, 0.0028, somewhere around there, depending on how the crypto market performs. However, if the crypto market does go through an pump in value, for example, if Bitcoin manages to pump up about 35 to 40k, then of course we are going to see major increases in value, not just on AMP but the whole crypto market in general. But anything like that which I can predict of, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far it is not looking too good for AMP. And again, guys, AMP does go through its pumps here and there in between. As again, so we've seen a pump here, but then it's dropped back down, pump here, and then it's gone even worse. So yes, we may see this pumps here and there in between when it comes to AMP, but again, nothing too crazy. And even if it does pump, it's not like it's going to maintain its value. It's very likely for it to drop back down in value. And also, you guys have asked for regular updates on AMP, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest figure you guys predict AMP to hit in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, especially that I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.